Okay, so one of the things that I would show you is some quick editing tips. So I'm in CapCut right now, and I'm gonna go to new project, and I'm adding my video. And one of the things that you have to think about is the beginning of cutting off any dead space. So here, this is me, obviously the beginning, and I'm gonna move this right along. Okay, so now I'm gonna split that and take this other spot and delete that. So here I am starting at the beginning here. Hi, I'm Annette Richmond, and today I'm going to share a few ways to make your videos sound much, much better, to be more engaging. The first thing that you want to do is to cut the dead space out wherever you find it. Okay, so we're going to go back to the beginning here, and we're not wanting to have me to say my name at the beginning. So I'm going to open this up just a little bit here, and okay, so as soon as I say my name, I'm going to take that here and split that and take that off the beginning. So now, and today I'm going to share a few. Okay. So we're going to take a little bit more off. Today I'm going to share. Okay, a little bit back. Today I'm going to share a few ways to make your videos sound much, much better, to be more engaging. Okay, so let's say that I want to keep all of that in here, which I probably don't, but so here I'm going to go, and right after I shut my mouth there, I'm going to split this. Okay, now I'm going to go here, and I'm going to take that out there, but here I want it to run right together, so I'm going to start it right as I'm opening my mouth and I see it coming on the screen. Okay, so right there, I'm going to split that, and I'm going to take this middle piece off of here. So now it's going to. Today I'm going to share a few ways to make your videos sound much, much better, to be more engaging. The first. Okay, so now you can see here. First thing that you want to do. So here it goes right into the other. Okay, so there you can see that cutting off the beginning. So I'm not saying my name anymore. I'm still talking a little bit too long here. So I want to just make this, because it sounds, it's really going on for too long. Okay, so now let's see how that goes. Much, much better. The first thing that you want. Okay, so here I'm going to just take a little bit off. So I'm going to stop it right as I'm closing my mouth. Okay, so here you go back, and right as I'm saying engaging. Okay, so I'm going to take this here, split that, and then I'm going to take this other bit here out as well. Okay, so now let's see what we have here. Today I'm going to share a few ways to make your videos sound much, much better, to be more engaging. The first thing that you want to do is to cut the dead. Okay, so now you can still hear that that's going just a little bit. So I'm just going to take just a little tiny bit here. So you want to see, just as you're closing your mouth, you want to, as you're opening and closing your mouth. So even here at the beginning, you can see that I'm just opening my mouth there. So today I'm going to share a few ways to make your videos sound much better to be more engaging. The first thing that you want to do is to cut the dead space out wherever you find it. Okay, so now you can see that it's much better. It's smoother. It goes much more quickly by just cutting that dead space out. It really makes the video just so much better. And I'll play it for you just one more time. Today I'm going to share a few ways to make your videos sound much better, to be more engaging. The first thing that you want to do is to cut the dead space out wherever you find it. Okay, so then I'm going to just export this. And now I have a video. Okay, so I don't want to share it to TikTok. I'm going to be done here. And I have my video here. So it was 26 seconds when I first put this into CapCut. And now it's 15 seconds. A few ways to make your videos sound much better, to be more engaging. The first thing that you want to do is to cut the dead space out wherever you find it. And that's how you make a simple video much more engaging than it would be if you left all that dead space, said your name in the beginning, etc.